This is final consonant blend LK. L sound is L. Say it with me. L. K's sound is K. Say it with me. K. And we're going to put that at the end of words. So let's practice with this one right here. You ready? Tap and stretch. Stretch the sounds out into each other. Remember? Elk. Tap and stretch again. Elk. Say it fast. Elk. Say it fast. Elk. Yeah, elk. I love to see elk. They're big animals, like almost like a moose. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Welk. Tap and stretch. Welk. Say it fast. Welk. Say it fast. Welk. A whelk is a type of a seashell. Let's see. Tap and stretch our new word. Milk. Tap and stretch. Milk. Say it fast. Milk. Say it fast. Milk. Yeah, milk. We know what milk is, right? I like to drink milk. Okay, let's tap and stretch this word. Silk. Tap and stretch it again. Silk. Say it fast. Silk. Say it fast. Silk. Silk is a type of fabric, and the thread actually comes from a silkworm. The thread is made by a worm. That's kind of funny, huh? Okay, let's tap and stretch. Bulk. Tap and stretch. Bulk. Say it fast. Bulk. Say it fast. Bulk. Yeah, we buy things in bulk, which means we buy big bags of stuff. All right, big bags of cereal. Buy it in bulk. Okay, let's read this last word. Tap and stretch. Sulk. Tap and stretch. Sulk. Say it fast. Sulk. Say it fast. Sulk. To sulk is to kind of mope around in a bad mood. You didn't get what you want, you might sulk, right? Good job on consonant blend LK.